Hello everybody, at Hopkins here with Woottext. I'm on this website here, Master Cuts. What if you could take this phone number and turn it into this? Instead of having just a phone number where customers can call, now they can call or text to that landline number. And how do they do this? They do this with our new feature inside Wrecking Ball SMS, the Woottext SMS Gateway. And we call this feature WootPort. Let me explain how it works. Setting up your client with an SMS landline is child simple. First off, you need permission, either verbal or written, from the business owner that you're allowing us to provision just the SMS portion of their landline number. Once you get that permission, you're going to log into your Woottext members area. You're going to find a button here called My WootPort USA Landline and 800 Number Service. Click on that button. Next, you're going to enter the number that they gave you permission to use the SMS portion. Once you enter that number in, you then are going to select the plan that you want to give this customer. And obviously, you can upcharge your clients on any of these plans. I'm just going to choose the 1000 SMS plan. It is $10 to provision the actual phone number become SMS enabled, but the first month is going to be that $10 plus the plan's credits. The next month and the recurring months will always be $10 less than the first month. Now we have up to 8 plans here. If you need any more credits than 8,000, let us know. But we have 2,000, 3,000, all the way up to 8,000 right now. Once you have decided on the number and the plan, you're going to agree to these terms and conditions, and then you're going to order the landline service. It'll automatically be sent to us to be provisioned. It's usually provisioned within 2 to 24 hours, depending on the time of day it is. Once your number is provisioned, you can just return to this page at any time. All your WootPorted numbers will appear here. First off, you need your WootPort key. You're going to grab this code. You're going to go into your Wrecking Ball installation. You're going to go to Settings. And obviously, you want to make sure that you have your installation fully updated, the most recent version of Wrecking Ball SMS. So when we click on Settings here, you're going to go to the WootPort key. You're going to be copying this WootPort key into this Settings here. Click on Paste. And then click on Update, and now that's automatically set. So now this system is ready to take on all your incoming numbers. The next thing you want to do, go to Numbers. You're going to go Buy a Number. You can go Existing WootPort. It's going to bring down the list. You're going to select it. Click on Add. Now you're going to see that we've added a WootPort number. The WootPort number will always be WP. And from here, you can also assign this to a different client if you want to. But for this instance, I'm just going to keep it inside of the admin. So now we can jump over to a campaign inside Woottext. We're going to assign that WootPort number. So if I come down here, I'm just going to choose one of my test campaigns here. You're going to open that up. You're going to choose your phone number. You're going to select the phone number, which is the WootPort number. Click on Update. And now that entire campaign is provisioned using the long code for the business. Now keep in mind the SMS won't start working until 2 to 24 hours. You're going to want to log in every now and then just to check the status turns to active. While it's being provisioned, the status will say provisioned. Our aggregator will click a link on their end, which automatically provision it on our end. So once you see this turn active, your account for that number is live. And you can share that number with that particular client inside your system to use on all the campaign types inside Wrecking Ball SMS. Everything works the same, just like you were using a Twilio number. Now, because your client's SMS landline now has the ability to do call or text to the number, you're going to have to provision the inbox, because obviously customers, they can text anything, not just the keywords that are in campaigns. So you're going to want to provision the SMS inbox where all the responses that are not keywords are going to go. Click on Settings. Click on SMS Information. Here you're going to have a typo message. You're going to want to edit this. Thanks for your message. We will reply momentarily. And then you want to set your email alert on invalid keyword. You're going to put the business's email. And then you want to put the notification information. Then obviously you can put any other details here. Obviously, because this is going to be considered a reply, you're going to want to ask the business to log into their system to obviously handle the customer's response. They can handle the customer's response by going in here and then going to the message, clicking on the plus, and they can send a response up to 1,600 characters. Now, we are working on a chat feature inside of this system where, let's say, they do text a non-keyword into the system. What's going to happen is the customer or the business is going to get the notification. They're getting a link where they can manage and chat with that customer via SMS right from a mobile phone. So they'll get the notification and they'll click a link and they'll be able to chat one-on-one with the customer in real time. At the same time, the messages will also simultaneously appear inside of my SMS inbox. If for any reason your client should happen to cancel, you want to come back in here, click on My WootPort USA landline numbers. You want to click on End Service. This will send us a message to turn off the SMS service. We have found in our metrics with the beta testing with a bunch of clients, we got a near 100% retention rate with our clients that are on WootPort. So always keep that in mind. If you have any questions about Woottext landline porting with WootPort, or if you have questions about becoming a member of Woottext Wrecking Ball SMS, just give me an email at woottext@gmail.com. I'll also answer any other questions that you may have about this service. Thank you and have a great day, and hope your 2016 is off to a great start.